This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're looking at this product from Eastvolt. This is a ratchet wrench, a 12-volt ratchet wrench. These are awesome to have to get into tight places and get bolts and nuts off quickly, especially if you don't have a lot of room to use a ratchet. This is the kit that it comes with here. It's in a nice hard case, as you can see here, and this is the actual tool itself. So there's your 12-volt battery. It's a bigger battery. It does have a battery life indicator on it down here on the bottom, which is very nice. The maximum torque is 45 Newton meters, whatever that converts to in pounds, foot pounds. But it feels pretty powerful from what I can tell. And nice, handy. It's fairly light too. I wish the battery was a little bit smaller, but really, you know, you're going to be using this for braking, or not braking things like breakaway torque, but just to get it out. So again, nice hard case for what this is as well. Got a little strap, you can carry it over your wrist. Also comes with a few sockets as well, and these are going to be 17 millimeter, and we'll just go through and tell you 15, 14, I would assume 13, 12, does it have an 11? It does. And the 10 millimeter socket, 6-point, very nice. Charger as well, 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter, and the end of this is a 3/8 also. So, given all that, I'm going to take this out and give you all a good little example as to how this little ratchet wrench here works. Again, super handy automotive, and I work on small engines, so small engine tool. It is definitely a good companion in your garage, especially if you don't have one. This one right here is going to be a really good one to start out with and kind of get your feet wet as you work your way up to you know, the tool ladder essentially. This right here's got all you need though. I'm going to take it outside. We're going to see how well it works, and we'll do that here next. Alright guys, so this is what we're going to use in order to get some bolts out and stuff. I think I'm just going to try a couple of these just to give you an idea of this, and we'll use the 10 millimeter that came with it. I am going to get an extension, so here's the ratchet. We'll get an extension here to add to the socket, but I'm going to use the socket that was provided to me for this, just to give you an idea. So, you know, left and right, a lot of grease and stuff in there, which is good to see. You just have to flip it. We're going to tighten it, or loosen it, excuse me. And we got to get it started. So once we do that, you can see it loosens up very nicely. It's got decent power for what it is as well, and seems to work just fine. So you know, your battery life, right out of the box it had 3 bars on it already. For one of these ratcheting wrenches, it's also relatively quiet too. So again, this is going to be good for them lighter duty jobs, since it's only a 12 volt, like just like this. So, you know, getting small engine parts and stuff off. You can see the grease right here getting heated up and moving around a little bit. So very, very nice overall, this Eastvolt ratcheting wrench. Again, super nice that it comes with some sockets as well, and the hard carry case obviously, and the charger all together in one nice package. So there we go, guys. Just a good test of this Eastvolt 12 volt ratcheting wrench here. Again, very, very handy tool to get bolts off, especially in harder to reach areas that you can't get an impact gun, or you only have a couple of turns of the ratchet in order to get stuff off. This right here should work really well. Aside from the battery base itself, it is fairly thin. Should be able to get into some of them tighter spots decently easy. You have a little locker down here as well, so that you don't accidentally push it when it's in the case or something and accidentally run the battery down or something like that. So thanks again, Eastvolt, for letting me try this out. I appreciate y'all for watching this product review. Hopefully y'all found it helpful, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.